Hello dear children, this is the second video of this week, class 8, chapter number 6, Introduction to Apps. In the previous class, I have discussed the following topics: Gmail app in mobile, how to create an account in Gmail, and third, using Google Drive in Gmail. What is the advantage of using Google Drive? I have discussed these all topics and you understood the topic very nicely. Now coming to the next topics to be discussed today. First one, introduction to Dropbox. How to install and use Dropbox. This is the another application software. Dropbox is an another application software which is also used for installing large files on the server. Then next topic is what is YouTube and how to upload videos on YouTube. So coming to the introduction to Dropbox. The Dropbox app itself, where you can organize all your files, folders, and Dropbox spaces and coordinate with others. You can store your files, you can put your files on the server, either small files or large files. You can store your files on the server and you can share the links so that others can also visit that place. They can take the data, they can see the video, they can see the images, whatever you have stored on the server. Okay. Next point, Dropbox is a file hosting service operated by the American company Dropbox that offers cloud storage. It is something like cloud storage where file synchronization, personal cloud and client software facilities there. Okay, you will find these all facilities. It is like cloud storage where you can put your files and many other persons can use it. Now, how to install and use Dropbox. You can install desktop app of Dropbox. You can also install mobile app of Dropbox and you can also use web app of Dropbox. So here you can see I have already installed Dropbox in my system. This is the desktop app of Dropbox. How you can install? You can go to Microsoft Office store. This is your Microsoft store. Again, you have a look here. This is your Microsoft store. You can click on this icon and you can search Dropbox. Press enter key, it will be searched. You can see this is the logo for Dropbox. You have to click on this icon and the option will come to install this app. I have already installed this app, so the option, it is written here, the product is installed and you can click on launch to open it. Okay, you can also install Dropbox on your mobile and you can use it. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to use the web app of Dropbox. You can open any web browser and you can write Dropbox in the Google. Its link will come, www.dropbox.com. You can click here. Now you can sign in to your account. You can sign in. If you have no account, you can create your account. You can click here and you can click on add option if you have no account. Or better, you can click on this icon, sign in icon, and when you click on this icon, you will a page will come. In this page, you can create an account on Dropbox. If you want to use Dropbox, then you have to create an account. Without account, you can't use Dropbox. Or if you have already created an account, you have to click on, you have to sign into your account. You can write your email ID and you can use your password. So I am entering my email ID and password here. I have entered my password. Click on sign in option. You will log into your account. I have logged into my account. This is my account, and you can add many things. You can see the icons: upload files, upload folders. You can create new folder also, and here you can see how many videos I have uploaded on this server. These all are my videos. You can see I have uploaded many videos on this server, on this Dropbox. You can also use it to store large files on this server. Okay, this is the facility which is given by the Dropbox. And after using it, after uploading your videos, you have to log out from your account. When you click on upload files, your video, I have already created my video in my drive D or drive C, CD or E. I have already created my videos in my drive. You can see C drive, D drive, E drive. These all are the drives of my computer. I have already, there is already some video clips. You can, again you can see, you can click on upload files and you can select the destination video, or you can select the destination path from where you have to upload your files. Okay, you can go to the specific drive and you can select the files or folders. Okay, and click on open. That will be uploaded to your Dropbox. Okay, in this way you can upload files, and after using it, you can see it has the same look as your Gmail account has. You can click on this icon and there are many different icons to log. If you want to log out from your account, then you have to click on this icon. This is my account, that's why TK is written here. You have to click on this icon and you can see the sign out option. You have to sign out from your account. It is necessary. It is compulsory. Okay, because if you are going out of your home, you can use locks. You can use locks, and your house will be closed. But if you don't use locks, then any person can enter into your house. Okay, so you always put a lock at the door. It is very important. In the same way, if you have to save, if you have to uh, take precautions, then you have to log out from your account. Now you can see the next topic. The next topic is, what is YouTube? YouTube is an American online video sharing platform Headquartered in San Bruno, California, YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. You can even create and upload your own videos to share with others. Originally created in 2005, YouTube has been created in 2005, and YouTube is now one of the most popular sites on the web. You can easily upload videos, share the videos, you can watch the videos on YouTube. Now, next topic is how to upload videos on YouTube. On YouTube, I will show you. First, you have to open any web browser and visit to the link www.youtube.com. You have to enter into your account in this YouTube. It will take a few seconds. If you have to watch any video, you can search the name of that video and click on search option. That video will be, if that video is present, you can easily watch that video. It will come to your screen. And if you want to upload your videos, click on this create option. Click on upload videos, sign in option will come. You have to sign in to your account and you can easily upload videos, children. Okay. In this way, you can use YouTube for watching videos, for uploading videos. And it is one of the most popular websites. In this way, children, I have completed all the topics. Now, this ePathshala, you know about ePathshala app. I have discussed about this app in the previous class. You know about mobile banking. I have discussed this topic. Okay, thanks for watching this video, children.